One of the great things about a trades institution like ours, where we have all of the necessary tools for you to experiment, is that I have MIG machines, I have TIG machines, I have stick machines. I have the ability to teach you how to weld stainless steels, aluminums, mild steels, all of the major metals you're going to encounter in the field. But I give you your own environment, your own area to sit there and kind of focus, hone your craft on an individual basis, and make it where you're able to not only get hands-on with your instructor, where I can show you exactly what it is you need to be doing, but also gives you that room to kind of have your own space to just experiment on your own, figure out what works for you, because a lot of it is, you know, starting out with what works for you and then carrying that forward once you get into the field.
I can't emphasize enough how down to earth it really is. You know what I'm saying? There isn't that big distance from the instructors to the students where you feel like you can't talk to them about anything. Even if you're having problems at home or whatever, the instructors understand that and know that real life happens.
I got in here, I was in that booth right there the first time I struck an arc, heart's pounding, beating, and I fell in love with it. One of the things that I tell, prospective students that come in is, this is something that, not only am I passionate about, but I don't hate my job. I love waking up, I love coming in here, I love what I do. There's always something different. There's always a sense of pride that comes from completing a project and going, I did that, I made that.
We try to prepare you for not just fabrication in, like, say, a steel construction context, but we try to prepare you for a production context or an aerospace context, make it where you can walk into many different disciplines in the welding field, but have a stable foundation in order for you to start with what we give you and move forward.